Hey besties, today I'm sharing one of my okra recipes with you. And on top of that, I'll go ahead and give you free kitchen tips. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's get started already. So get yourself a pen and paper, okay? And jot something down. So number one, never store onions and potatoes together because both produce a gas that causes either of them to spoil quickly, okay? Number two, put 2 or 3 orange leaves in your hot palm oil on the fire. Let the leaves turn black before removing it. By then, your palm oil becomes pure granite oil, also giving your food a nice taste. Number three, to avoid feeling a peppering hotness on your hands. After cutting pepper with bare hands, scrub your hand with salt and red oil, then rinse it off quickly. Number four, if you happen to oversalt a pot of soup, just drop in a peeled potato. The potato will absorb the excess salt. I hope you know, right? Number five, if your soup or stew goes sour while warming it, don't worry at all. Just add a little piece of charcoal and remove after warming it. The taste will come back quickly. Number six, never put citrus like orange, lemon, lime, etc. in the fridge, right? Because the low temperature degrades the aroma and flavor of these fruits, okay? Number seven, when storing empty airtight containers, throw in a pinch of salt to keep them from getting stinky. I hope you know that, right? It has happened a lot to most of us, right? So, number eight, if your salt is becoming lumpy, put a few grains of rice in with to absorb excess moisture, okay? Should I go over that again? I mean, if your salt is becoming lumpy, put a few grains of rice in it, okay, to absorb the excess moisture. All right. So last but not the least, to reuse cooking oil without tasting whatever was cooked in the previous days, okay, cook half piece of ginger in the oil. It will remove any remaining flavors and odors. All right, I hope you learned something, and I hope you're definitely gonna give this recipe a try. Guys, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you to all my subscribers, my returnees. Oh guys, you guys are so amazing. Keep doing the magic. Thank you to all my followers on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. And you haven't followed this channel yet, please don't waste time. Just click on the plus sign to follow and like for more. You know me, I bring you nothing but the best. I hope you're definitely gonna give it a try. See you in my next video. Bye. My name is Dr. Rosie.